Aha! Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, according to watching me from. This is Edith Curtis, your village content girl, here again with another episode of the videos. Yes, so I'm here again bringing you exciting village content. You know, as you all know, I'm a village content creator. Yes, so that's why I'm having another episode. Yes, yeah. Now I'm having something new. It's new to us, to some of us that are not in Uganda, or to some countries that it isn't there, you understand? So today I'm having something exciting, something that is beautiful, something that you would like to see, have a look at. Yes, so you please come with me as we are going through this, as you're looking at the nature of Uganda. I remember recently I've showed you a one type of water body, that where we get our water. You remember the streams I showed you, that water that comes out of the soil, out of those hilly areas. You remember that video? So I'm bringing another episode of how we fish the water in our village life, you understand? So you are going to move with me as we are visiting different areas, as you're looking at the beauty. Yes. Well, better when we talk about Uganda being beautiful, we do not just lie. You're going to see it yourself. Everywhere you see is green. Everywhere you see is just. So as we are waiting to see this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Subscribe to the channel. Please view, comment. There are things that you'd love to know. You may not approach me or what, but when you comment, I afterwards come up with what. Yes. So for today, we are going to see another method of how we fish our water. Yes, very exciting. We be there and we are like, oh my god, you know, we even bathe there. Okay, first we're just free, we don't have those much restrictions, yes, as the ones you have there. That's the only thing we do is to clean our water bodies, so that it is always clean. So you please come with me as we are going. We are going to, should we also call it an evening walk? You know, decide it's an evening, and when I'm having that free time, I'm like, why not, let me share it with my beloveds, you know that, yeah? So we are going to have a look at different things of how we fish our water. But anyways, look around, see how beautiful Uganda looks, members. It is not that we are talking specifically on Uganda. No, we're going to talk about other countries. But for now, let us focus. Let us dig into that Uganda that you had not seen, that you had not known. That is what we are bringing up for you. Yeah, you know, when you enjoy, that's my joy. Yes, when you enjoy, automatically I also enjoy. Yes, when you view, that's what I love. So we are going to go through a variety of things that you will enjoy. You again are going to enjoy. So come with me as we are doing what? As we are touring together. Remember what I told you about? About wherever you look at, you see nature. Yes? Wherever you set your eyes, you just look at nature. Look at the flowers. You know? Those are yams. Yes, there are yams there. There are yams there. So, wherever I set my eyes, I automatically see nature. You know? You only see nature. And guess what? It is nature that beautifies you. What? You know, we always love this good life. But unfortunately, I think it's not fun. What do you think? Okay, we love that technology, yes, but we love it also when you go back to the roots, you know. looking at how it is not that look at that at that moment when the water, you find your water inside your house. That is not fun. I remember some years back, I always said that I maybe not grow in Kampala, in those civilized areas. I was living in the deep areas of Potopoto. Those that know Burungu, that's where I come from. But we used to fish water for over a kilometer, but think about the movements when I'm with my siblings, that far that we always get. That is what people miss. You got me. So that's what I want you to have, that experience with me. I want you to have fun with me. Yes? I want us to enjoy together. Okay. So when we talk about nature, this is what I mean. This is exactly what I mean. So this is what I'm talking about. Wherever you see nature around us. By the way, this is why whenever they talk about conserving our nature, this is what it means. When the nature is conserved, there is formation of rainfall. We all know that. These trees and all that. By the way, when you look around, these are the trees that have been just planted. They have been planted by someone, yes? And when they are planted, that is what we mean by reforestation. We plant again the trees that might help our future what? Our future. Now you're looking at these trees, they are young at the moment, but with time there will be those big trees that you will have to look at. So at the moment when we talk about that nature, this is what we exactly mean. Look at my behind. That looks like a lake. I also don't know that it is a lake, but it looks like one of the lakes that you might not be knowing. This one is actually in our village. You understand? This is just in our village. Sometime you can come by, sit around. Okay, it might be brown. Don't mind the brownness. Don't mind the brownish. Yes, that's part. But when you look at the things that you had not seen, there is that relief, the relief you get. So this is what we mean. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Very beautiful. Okay, it is brown. Don't mind that, like you said. It is brown, but it is really beautiful. You sit and meditate. Think about it. So this is yes, our lake. Our small lake around. Yes, when you feel you're having a lot going through your mind, you sit around here. Yes, you feel relieved. You get that peace. You understand? Yeah. So I just think someone should be around this kind of nature. Yes, I think this is more good for those that would love meditating. That's what I think. Yes, when you look around, it is more of green, You're looking at different calibers of trees. The sugar canes around, So I just think it's beautiful living around such an environment. So let us go to the main point. Let us go look at our water stream. Let us go and look. Okay, it might not be so clean at the moment. Yes, but you will see. Yes, you will. So, yeah, we are soon looking at what I've just told you about. Yes, our well. Is it a well? Okay, it might be a well. You're not even putting this kind of water. I mean, where we get our water in English, it is kind of difficult because I don't think even those white people thought about what's their meaning, but they do know whatever. I'm going to tell you, just give it some time. But for now, I want us to tour just around. We just tour around. Now, when you look here, this is the swamp. You see? This is a small swamp. There is water down here, and then there is vegetation. You understand? There is some vegetation, there is water underneath. Don't tell me why should we have drought in our country? Because we're having the things that stimulate the rain. Yes, when having kind of environment, you can trust me. You can't be in drought. You know, because we all know when we were in school, there was always that one thing we always talked about: forests, that they stimulate the formation of rainfall. This is what we mean, and trust me, it doesn't take very many days without us receiving rain. And what is beautiful more than rain? You know that? So this is the swamp. This is the swamp. So let us go to the well. You will never comment. You will comment on the name. Yes, you tell me the name of that what? The name of that well. Yes, I'll be glad if I find it in the comment section. Okay, you come with me. So look at this. You know, remember those days, when you are in the village, and then you're having a goat. You know, goat rearing, it is not for those that are having large farms. No, you can have your one goat and then do whatever you want to do. So at the moment, I'm having my friends around that are come with their goats and they're trying to rear them up. Why they always do it in this kind of this time of the day is that it is calm. You don't get even tired. It is like going for an evening walk in your countries that you are watching me from. So at the moment, we are having these at the moment, you understand? So we're just enjoying our evening. You go with your goats, you can go with your music, then have fun, you know, as you're looking after them, as they are feeding, and then you go back home and you relax. Not that I remember, by the way, we used to go to forests. We get in our language, we used to call it okusoroma. And to get so at the moment they feed themselves in our nearby forest, you know, in our village. What forest? Yeah. So just a few minutes, you look at our well and you see how we fish our water. But at the moment, just stand by as you are yet to see what I'm bringing for you at the moment. By the subscribe to my YouTube channel, and it gets your village content girl. Yeah, so stay tuned. Come with me as we are about to view our chinyusi at the moment. So here we are. This is the well that I've been telling you about. This one is in our village at the moment. Yes. We have fresh water. Yes. I didn't want my shoes getting wet. So that's why I'm barefooted. And we are seeing my friends are here fishing water. That experiment is just good. Let's accelerate it. It is releasing as I've been telling you guys. We always did this years back, by the way. We always did years back, and it really had a good experience then. We really wanted the people I was with all the time right now back with them. So we would really want to go back to those times. Just the fun always got. That's what I've been telling about. By the way, this water is so fresh because when we look at the ways how we clean our water, this is exactly the stages that our water goes through. When we talk about the swamps that clean up our water, we have swamps in Uganda that do that. So right now, I think this water is really safe. I'm having my fellows that come bathe. Yes, you come have some nap with the water, you know that. Just come chill around and Yeah, my friends, you're seeing them, they're here having fun. So that is part of life. You have to enjoy life. I think it is always good living your life as you want it. Don't look at the people looking at you just because, you know. So yes, this is what I had for you this beautiful evening. Whether in our country it is an evening, so I don't know about your country right now. So this side it is an evening, and then I've decided to have an evening walk with you, my beautiful viewers. You people, you're shouting. So I just wanted to have this evening with you, my viewers, to have fun together. You look at this beautiful, beautiful country of ours. Yes, yes, you have something relieving. So this, I know whether this is relieving. And you look at me, and then you step into my feet, and you take you know, you take it as if it is you in this kind of life. So I think that is very, very beautiful. So thank you for viewing this video. I know you're going to view it. I love you so much. This is Edith Curtis. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit that notification button that any video that is incoming, you get notified. And yes, you have something for yourself. You enjoy. I love you. Mwah, shalom.